In this video, I will explain how industrialization changed the transition from an agricultural society to an industrial one. You will learn how life and the world of work changed in the 19th century due to these transformations. Industrialization refers to the transition from a society primarily based on agriculture to one in which machines and factories dominate production. This process began in Great Britain and later spread to other countries. Many people moved from rural areas to cities to work in factories. This created new job opportunities, but also significant social and economic challenges. Industrialization would not have been possible without the invention of new machines. Machines like the spinning machine and the steam engine replaced the work of humans and animals. This led to much faster production of goods that were previously labor-intensive and made by hand. The steam engine, in particular, played a key role because it provided the energy source for many machines and modes of transportation. With industrialization, the work environment changed drastically. People began working in large factories where they performed repetitive tasks. The working conditions were often very poor, working hours long and wages low. However, compared to working on the land, factory jobs provided many with a regular income. As people moved to cities, they grew rapidly and became industrial hubs. New neighborhoods were created, but many problems also arose, such as poor sanitation and overcrowding. Cities became increasingly noisy, dirty, and congested. Nonetheless, they offered people the chance for employment and a better life. With industrialization, capitalism also grew, the economic system where private companies generate profits. Factory owners became increasingly wealthy, while workers often lived under difficult conditions. Capitalism led to economic growth but also caused significant social inequalities. The pursuit of profit frequently took precedence, impacting working conditions. Industrialization brought not only progress but also many social problems. Children worked in factories, earning very low wages and working long hours. They were often exposed to health risks, as the working conditions in the factories were hazardous. These abuses later led to the first reforms and laws aimed at protecting workers. Technological advances in agriculture made many farming tasks more efficient. Machines like the plow and steam tractors made work faster and easier. This allowed fewer people to work in agriculture, prompting many farm workers to migrate to cities. Agricultural production increased, which was essential for industrial society. During industrialization, the role of women in the workforce also changed. Many women began working in factories, marking a shift from traditional household labor. However, they were often paid lower wages than men and worked under difficult conditions. Over time, movements emerged advocating for women's rights and the improvement of their working conditions. Industrialization also had profound effects on the environment. The construction of factories and the increasing use of coal and other raw materials led to pollution. The air became polluted with smoke and fumes, and waterways suffered from factory waste. These negative impacts were only recognized later and led to the first environmental protection movements.